Hello friends, welcome to my channel Java Coder. So today we are going to discuss about the lambda expressions. So let's start with lambda expressions. So lambda expression is a method without a name and it is also known as anonymous method. It has similar features as regular Java methods such as method parameters, method body and a return type. And one more important point about lambda expression is that it is not linked to any specific class or object and can be assigned to a variable and passed to another method as a parameter. So coming to the syntax of the lambda expression, the syntax of the lambda expression starts with a parenthesis. So inside the parenthesis we can pass the input parameter, and the parenthesis is followed by an arrow, and arrow is followed by a curly braces. So inside the curly braces we are going to write the body of the lambda expressions. So there are few rules about the body of the lambda expressions, so let's discuss them now. So the body of the lambda expression can either be a single statements or a multiple statements. So if we are using a single statement as the body of a lambda expression, then there is no need to enclose the body within the curly braces. So in this example where we are printing the hello world, so for printing the hello world we are using the system.out.println, which is a single statement. So for this there is no need to put this statement inside the curly braces. But with the following example, to print a number, here we are using the multiple statements to print a number from 1 to 10 using our for loop. So in this case we are going to enclose the statements inside the curly braces. Coming to the uses of the lambda expression, so the usage of lambda expression is to implement the functional interfaces. So for the time being, we will understand that a functional interface is an interface with exactly one abstract method, and the details about functional interfaces we are going to discuss in the upcoming videos. So lambda expressions are basically the instance of a functional interfaces. So for the time being we can say that the lambda expression is used to represent the instance of a functional interfaces, and it can easily replace the anonymous inner classes which is used to provide the implementations of functional interfaces earlier. So earlier how we were using? Earlier we were using the anonymous inner classes to represent a existing functional interfaces before Java 8. So now we will say that functional interfaces are only introduced in Java 8 only, but no, this is not 100% true. There are few interfaces that were functional and they were present before Java 8 also. So these functional interfaces are like runnable interfaces or comparator interfaces. So friends, that's it for lambda expressions for today. In the next video we are going to discuss about the functional interfaces. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel Java Coder. Thank you.